In this video, I'm going to show you how you can't see yourself or your video is missing in Microsoft Teams meeting. So if your video is not available during a Microsoft Teams meeting and you wish to turn it on, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now to do this, head to your meeting that is on and then go to view on top here. From here, choose this option, more option, and from more option, you should see, look at the status of this. Currently, it is hide me, which means my video can be seen. However, if your status was hidden, such as this, then just go to it again, more options, and choose this option, unhide me. By clicking on unhide me, now you will be able to see your video again appear here, and now you can participate in the meeting without any issue. So that's how you can unhide yourself during a Microsoft meeting. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.